we identify the problem. So if you have your problem, we need to move on to the second step, which is to identify success and restraints. For example, with this hook right here, one of my restraints is I had to be able to print it on a printer. Now, I was able to see what other sources I had, such as hot glue for gluing it on and a hard drive magnet for sticking it different places. I also had to be aware, was there a place that was metal in my room that I could put it on? If I didn't have this metal door frame, this wouldn't have been successful. Another definition of identifying restraints is knowing that I need to print it out of PLA. And is it successful if it slides around too much, if it won't hold my coat, different things like that. Same with my rocket. Different things have to meet certain things to be successful. Now, you should be aware of restraints. Right now, at my home, where I'm going to be doing most of the 3D printing, I'm going to be limited to the FlashForge, which has a very small print bed. You have 140 millimeters by 140 millimeters by about 140 millimeters high. And when you start to get things that big, it may not work so well. So these are going to have to be small problems. Okay, so identify what success looks like and what restraints you have and what other resources you have. You might have other resources at home that you can use for solving your problem, and 3D printing might only be a part of it. Thank you.